spoken. Don't ever forget your goal.
Hi dears, today our question is, how to use if condition, if and condition, if or condition. I have this data about customers, their names, bill amount, and sold quantity. If customer bill below 5,000, discount 5%, and greater than signs confusions, we will try to use one sign. If anywhere we need to use greater than sign, we will write the value on left or right side of less than sign. If customer bill below 5,000, discount 5%. If customer has purchased some goods, and his bill is below 5,000 amount, we will allow 5% discount to him. For this purpose we will use simple if condition, function, or formula. If B5 is less than and equal to 5,000, 5% discount. Here we have used quotation marks or inverted commas with 5% because if we want to get any text or special sign as result, then quotation marks or inverted commas are used in if condition. And if criteria doesn't matches, then show us empty cells. For this we will use quotation marks or inverted commas. Here we have used quotation mark or inverted commas because we want to get same match signs in results. If criteria value is not matching, show us empty cells. Do not show any value or text. Here you can see the customers whose purchases bill values are equal or less than 5,000 has shown 5% discount. If customer bill above 5,000 and below 10,000, discount 10%. If some customer has purchased goods, and his bill is above 5,000 and below 10,000, we will allow 10% discount to him on his total bill. We will apply if and condition for this purpose and will drag down the formula to further cells. And we'll get the results which amounts are fulfilling this condition for or coming under this criteria. Here I have used same if condition function as same like before for your easy understanding, as if D5 is less than 10,000, discount is 10%, and further first we will complete function as completed earlier. Now up to here our formula or function is same like before. Now if I press enter here, it will show us the results, as 10% discount for all values or bills which are less than 10,000, but we have one more criteria that customer bills whose value is more than 5,000 but less than 10,000, so for this we will add here, and function here. Before adding second condition or criteria, just after the bracket sign, add end sign and one more bracket, before D5 or before criteria cell, and add new bracket as I have added, and sign, and one more bracket, and same like we'll add second criteria of 5,000. And we'll show the sign after or before the criteria values. If value has been shown before the sign, that value becomes less than that criteria, or if the value has been written after greater sign, value represents as greater.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your
After applying this function, drag down the function up to where you want to apply. Now you can see the results. If and function has shown us all those values which are fulfilling both criterias, that if customer bill is more than 5,000 and less than 10,000, discount will be 10%. If we make any changes in the data, auto changes will apply on the results. You can see, I am making some changes in the data automatically. If condition results are changing, the values which is fulfilling any criteria reflecting the results. Customer bill above 10,000, or product sold 20, discount 12%, purchased goods above 10,000 amount, or has purchased goods equal or more than 20 pieces, will allow them 12% discount. That from our total sales data, the all customers which are fulfilling this criteria, that their total purchases are more than 10,000 amount value, or purchased products quantity is more than 20 pieces, will give them 12% discount on total purchase amount. If or condition is very useful formula, which is linked with two criterias, that it checks the requirements in two different columns. First goes to check the bills amounts, then checks the next cell, where quantity of the product is mentioned. If any customer is fulfilling this criteria, from any column or cell, it will show us the discount amount, or discount percentage. Which we want to get, it depends on our required results. Here in this if or function, I am using if or function same like simple if function, just for easy understanding. Write equal sign, then if start bracket, then 10,000 amount, then greater sign, then D5, it means D5 is greater than 10,000. As earlier informed you, here we will try to use single one sign, and we are placing values after and before this sign. Because results will be same, we can write this criteria in other way also, that write D5 first then use less than sign. And write the other portion same like as earlier we have used in simple if condition. After applying the simple if condition formula, drag down till last value, you will find out the results. It will show 12% in front of all values which are more than 10,000, will be showing 12% discount. But you know we have one more criteria, that if customer has purchased quantities more than 20 pieces, so there are some bills which purchased quantity is more than 20 pieces but function is not showing 12% discount in front of that values. For this purpose we will add one more criteria of or. Same like before, add or sign. As last time we added in previous, and function, after placing or, add one more bracket, after or, then after first criteria place comma, then write 20 after this, and add greater sign, then select cell of criteria E5 or E13 which is in front of our function. Now you can see, already this function was showing discount for only those values, and cells which were fulfilling one criteria of sales more than 10,000. Now after addition of, if or, full function, it is showing those cells also, which have sold quantity more than 20 pieces. So in this way we have completed all three if functions, simple if function, if and function, if or function. If you need any more clearance can contact. Thanks for watching.